So, red data lines here show a stronger increase in new releases. Here mean an urge for classic Nova tracks. Oh, it's not good. I can't concentrate with all this mess.
What mess?
The mess! Mess, 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 mess!
I didn't really notice it.
Nova, you have to tidy your room.
Crew!
Nova, you make a mess, you tidy it up. The crew are busy with their own important duties.
We're all right, thanks. You can go back to work. Sid can tidy up. Sid!
Nova, all you have to do is... Nova.
What? I thought we were done. I'm watching the news.
Live news from Space Parliament, where President Honk has just made a statement. He has resigned. This all began when the galactic lollipop shortage, which caused misery for so many, was traced to President Honk's basement.
That was a big scandal, Honk taking our lollipops. I wonder who'll be elected to
And
replace...
so I, Nova Jones, am here to announce that I will be running for President of the Universe, starting now.